Most marketers think that marketing is about launching campaigns. Real operators build systems, and those systems print attention on autopilot. The marketing machine is how you stop chasing new content and start recycling proof. Here's how it works: every customer conversation, review, testimonial, and event is raw material. You're already creating content every day, you're just not capturing it. There are 7 nodes in the marketing machine: lifecycle moments, social scrapes, events, community wins, bonuses, awards, and competitions. Each one becomes an input that feeds your ad factory. When you connect these nodes, your business becomes self advertising. The customers start creating ads for you, not because you asked them to, but because your system captured them. Your results: ads to content to funnel to nurture to proof to new ads. That loop never stops spinning. Your job is to build the system once, then let the machine feed itself. Here's your mission: download the marketing machine map below this video. Diagram your ecosystem, how your ads feed your content drives your funnels, and your funnels fuels your nurture. Then post a screenshot inside the community thread. Look, marketing isn't a campaign, it's a compounding loop. Once your system starts spinning, you never need to start from scratch again. Next, we'll move into lead nurture system, where we automate what happens after the click.